Benefits of using coconut oil for face. The main component that sets coconut oil apart among the oil clan is the existence of lauric acid / dodecanoic acid and caprylic acid. These acids aid in decreasing inflammation and enhancing immunity. Also, their presence makes coconut oil filled with rich antimicrobial properties. It's important to note that only 100% natural, pure, and organic coconut oil will provide the best benefits for your skin. We recommend Kama Ayurveda's cold-pressed extra virgin coconut oil for application on the face. 1. Fights dark circles and hyperpigmentation. Just one weekend of binge-watching series or even binge-studying overnight is sufficient to find that uninvited guest right under your eyes. However, coconut oil could assist you. It could lighten the areas under your eyes and even help in reducing the spots caused by hyperpigmentation. It even diminishes the puffy look of the eye bags since it consists of anti-inflammatory properties. However, be certain about the cause of the dark circles since in some conditions they can even be an indication of underlying health implications. 2. Induces relaxation. With an increase in stress despite the work from home profile and worries of layoffs in recent times, the need to relax has augmented like never before. Massaging your face with a slight amount of coconut oil could do the trick of soothing your skin and relaxing your facial muscles. Also, its subtle aroma can calm your senses. 3. Works as a moisturizer. Don't we all dream of skin that is smooth, supple, and free of dry patches? Coconut oil with its hydrating capacity owing to the high amount of fatty acids makes the skin feel delicate and supple by penetrating the skin's deepest layers. 4. Acts as a sunscreen. Applying coconut oil before heading out into the sun for a short while or before taking the dip in the swimming pool would be beneficial for you. It secures your face by acting as a barrier between the skin and the harmful radiations that could cause skin burns or tans. It has an SPF of 4 to 5, which is not sufficient for long hours of sun trauma. But if it's for a short period, this natural sunscreen would work. 5. Makeup remover. Coconut oil in a large quantity is quite oleaginous and slimy. This property works effectively to cleanse your skin and pulls off the makeup seamlessly. It not only removes water-resistant makeup formulas but also leaves your skin feeling moisturized. 6. Consists of anti-aging properties. Coconut oil contains antioxidants and vitamin A as well as vitamin E. This reduces the damage caused by free radicals of the sun, which leads to quicker aging. Due to the promotion of collagen production, it aids in reducing the fine line as well as wrinkles. The research stating its benefits on wrinkles is insufficient. However, it is proved that a higher amount of collagen helps in tightening the skin and improving its elasticity, which should surely work against wrinkles. 7. Works as natural highlighter. Have a video conferencing call but feel lazy to apply makeup just for that short span? Go ahead and dab a light amount of coconut oil on your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, and finally under your brow bone. This would make your cheekbones prominent and accentuate your facial features in a subtle yet effective way. 8. Enhances those eyelashes and eyebrows. Grooming your eyelashes and eyebrows quite common among girls. However, to groom it well, nourishing it also has paramount importance. Coconut oil can provide that needed substance and assist in maintaining your lashes and brows. Apply coconut oil on the brows and lashes to improve their texture and thickness. 9. Heals bruises and blemishes. Bruise your face with that scrubber, or in case you discover the scratches on your face after the party caused by that pointy sharp ring, coconut oil could help. This oil has the superpower to heal wounds and ease the pain as it contains monolaurin derived from lauric acid, which is a fatty acid renowned for its antibacterial properties. High quality coconut oil could also keep the risk of infection within healing wounds at bay. To top it all, it even prevents scarring and blemishes after the skin is restored. 10. Works as a lip gloss. Ditching the lipstick and going nude and glossy by employing coconut oil for your lip duties could give you a magical look. It not only enhances your overall look but also, being a natural product, you would not even have to bother taking it off. In addition, it does the double work of moisturizing your lips as well. So no more dry and chapped lips. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do useful videos every other day.